Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. Today I'm going to be doing an Ulta haul. I'm so excited to share these products with you guys. I have used some of these just today, so I have kind of like my first impressions, but I don't have like full-on reviews for you guys. And little heads up, yeah, I know, like I haven't worn false lashes in so long, and I put them on today. I have like a really kind of green, smoky-ish eye. My hair is curled. Like, I am super glam today, and I feel like I haven't been really, like, glam in a long time. And last weekend, I was sick. I'm still kind of getting over it, but I feel 100 times better than I did last weekend. And I didn't really get to film last weekend, so just beware that, like, when you don't get to play with makeup on the weekends, this is what happens the next weekend. You want to, like, see your highlight from space. You want to have your false lashes on. You want to have your hair done. And you get like fully beat at 1 o'clock on a Saturday afternoon. So just a little PSA for you guys. But now let's go ahead and get into the Ulta haul. Okay, so the reason I really wanted to do this haul was because there were a couple face things that I really wanted to pick up that are newer. So I saw that LA Girl put out this Pro Matte HD Long Wear Matte Foundation. Now they've had the Pro Glow out for quite some time now, but I never purchased that one because I have oily skin and I usually like a more matte finish. So when I saw that they had this out, I was like, yes, please, I am so excited. So I did get the shade Ivory online. I ordered this off of Ulta's website. So I ordered Ivory and it came in and I was like, oh, that is very light. Like, this is for the lightest of light chicks. Like, if you are someone who struggles finding a light enough foundation shade, definitely check out LA Girl's range because this is very light. I'm wearing it today and I actually had to mix in. I have like my NYX Pro foundation mixers that are like different tones and colors that you can mix in with foundations, and I did end up mixing those in with this, like a darker one and then the more olivey one, to sort of get it to kind of like match my skin because this was so light. Let me actually look up really quick like how many colors in this line there are, because if they have this pale of a foundation, I wonder how dark they go. And I don't remember seeing. Okay, why are you telling me you can't find it? Okay, so now it's not on Ulta's website anymore. It doesn't make any sense because it's showing on my order that, I mean, but then when I click it and even when I search for it, it's not on Ulta's website anymore. So I don't know what that's about, but this was $8.99 at Ulta, and again, this is the shade Ivory. I did use it today, and the coverage was actually pretty good. It's not a super like moussey type texture. It's definitely thinner. If you've ever used the Rimmel Stay Matte, it's definitely thinner than that, but it is a little bit of a thicker foundation. It's not a super liquidy. I would say it's kind of like a mousse and a liquid combined. You know, it has that kind of thicker, just creamy consistency. So I liked it. It's just way too light for me, so I am gonna have to darken that up when I use it. And then Makeup Revolution has recently launched their new Conceal and Define Full Coverage Concealer and Contour, I guess it's called, over here in the States. I think this has been available in the UK for some time now, but like I said, they recently just released it over here. And so I wanted to pick this up. They say it's a dupe for the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I know that Makeup Revolution is very well known for duping high-end brands. So I'm really interested to try these side by side. I used this today for the first time. I did get the shade C1. This is the lightest, just because I didn't know really what to do online, honestly. C1, C2, and C3 all kind of looked the same, so I was like, I don't know. And so I did get C1, which is the lightest, and you can see it's super light. But I'm wearing it today, and I don't feel like it's crazy. And I do have, where is it? A really light shade in the Shape Tape one, and the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I have it in, let me get it. That's not it. Hold on. Oh, good grief. Okay, I have it in Fair Neutral. So I have a pretty light shade in this one as well. So if I wanted to do like a little side-by-side comparison, I thought maybe these would be a good match. I don't know. But like I said, I used this today for the first time. I didn't feel like it was too light for my skin. I don't know if it's as full coverage as the Tarte one. I'm definitely going to have to do a side-by-side comparison of these and see if, you know, this is a total dupe for it. It was a really good concealer. I just don't know if it is a complete dupe for the Tarte. So be on the lookout for a video of me comparing those because that's definitely going to be coming. And then I picked up this. I have been wanting this for a while now, but I just recently bought it, obviously, because it's in this haul, duh. And it is the Tartelette Flirt palette. So I have the Tartelette Tease palette, which is the same thing as this. It's just like more cooler tones. And then they recently put this out when they released the like Tarte Toasted palette, which is their most recent palette. I think it's like 12 shades or something, and that's super warm tones. Now, I really liked that palette, but I was like, I don't need another full warm palette. You know what I'm saying? Well, when I saw that they put this out, I was like, perfect. I can get a little bit of those colors and a little bit of that formula without having to spend, you know, 40 something dollars on a really big palette that I don't need. So this was around $23, and you get 6 different shades in here, if I can show you guys. And they are just, see, the packaging is so reflective, it's hard to show you guys. But it's so warm and pretty. You get 4 mattes on each end, like 2 and 2, and then you get 2 shimmers in the middle. I haven't put this on my eyes yet, but I'm really excited to play with it. I love that Tarte does this because, like I said, you can get their formula, you can get a little bit of the colors that they release in their popular palettes or colors that are similar to them, but you don't have to buy the whole big palette. And for someone like me who has a lot of eyeshadow, I don't need another full-on big palette. This does just fine for me, so I'm really excited to play with that. Okay, another eye thing that I picked up was this LA Girl Eye Luxe in the shade Urbanize. I have one of these already, and I love the formula so much, but this one is all mattes and just super basic mattes. So if you would be traveling and you could just grab this and then grab, like, I don't know, like a shimmer shadow or a cream shadow, I mean, you would be good to go. So I love this because you have everything from a matte cream, couple transition shades, and then a really deep brown to deepen up the crease. Haven't played with this yet on my eyes, but I just wanted this one because I have a video idea in mind that I wanted this for. And also, I really just wanted the all matte one. So I'm happy I got that, and that's really inexpensive. I think it's around $6. And the concealer, I think, I should just pull up my app and just like my order. It really bothers me about that LA Girl foundation. That's weird. The eyeshadow palette is $5.99, and then the concealer was $8. And then Makeup Revolution recently also put out their Reloaded palettes. So these are eyeshadow palettes that have 15 eyeshadows in them for $7. And I was like, that is an amazing price and kind of too good to be true. I really want to try these out because I've tried 2 different Makeup Revolution palettes. I tried the, I don't even remember what it was, but it was one that had the circle pans, and to be honest, I wasn't a huge fan. And then I tried their Neutrals versus Neutrals, and I really actually liked that, and I really loved the mattes in that one. And so I was like, let me try their Reloaded formula. 15 shadows for $7. I was like, I'm all about that. So I got 3 out of the 4 that they released. This one is the Newtrals 2, which is, let me just open these up so you guys don't get a glare. This one is like warm eyeshadow central. You get pinks, you get oranges. The one thing I'm a little nervous about with this palette is how different of looks I'm really going to be able to get, because I have a feeling that a lot of these shades are going to look the same on the eyes. You know, once you kind of shear them out and things like that, I don't know how different it really is going to be. And a lot of them are like medium tones. So, I mean, you get a couple like lighter shades, but you don't get anything in this palette to really deepen it up. So I'm going to be interested to see if I can do a full look with this palette, or even like different full looks. You know what I mean? But it is really pretty. I also picked up the Vitality palette. This one looks super similar to a high-end palette, and I'm going to be filming a video today or tomorrow about this palette and a few others that are comparable to the high-end version of this, which is the Modern Renaissance palette from Anastasia. So make sure to subscribe so you don't miss that video. And then I picked up the Division palette from the Reloaded line. This is the one I'm wearing today. And oh my goodness, I love these shades so much. I think it was View Addiction. She has a YouTube channel on here, but I think I saw it on her Instagram. She swatched this one next to the Subculture palette, I do believe, from Anastasia, and they were really similar in shades. I don't have the Subculture palette, but I love these shades. I think it's so fun. It's just a really unique variety of shades together. You're only getting 2 shimmers, which is this green and this bronze color, and then the rest are mattes. I do have pretty much all the greens on my eyes today. I did use this one right here, this shimmer. I will say I did use a cream base with this, and then once I kind of started blending the mattes, it kind of blended away, so I went in with a glitter glue, and that really worked with this shadow. So I'm not sure about the bronzy color, but definitely with the green, I would say it's a little chunky glittery, so use a glitter glue or a cream base with that one. But the mattes were so good. I mean, I'm not kidding when I say I'm wearing all the greens in this palette. Like, that's on my lid. This one and this one are in the crease. This is in the outer corner. This is a beautiful transition shade. I did use that on my lids as well, and then I did use a little bit of this mustard yellow, even a little bit of that. Like, I was just having so much fun playing with these colors, and I'm also excited to play just with the browns and the purples. What I love about this palette is that it's colorful but deeper, so it's not super loud, but it's definitely color, and you can do a lot of different looks with this. So you could do a super warm brown eye, you could even do a more like cooler toned purple, you could do a full-on green like I did today, you could mix these colors. I mean, you can just do so much with this palette. So I love this one. And again, this is the only one I've played with so far actually on my eyes, but I love it. The formula, I mean, it is really good. The shimmers, like I said, they're just a different type of formula. Not my all-time fave. You got to work with them a little bit more. But the mattes are really blendable, really pretty, not a lot of fallout. I really enjoyed it. All right, the last thing I want to chat about is lip products. So I got 4 more of these. Yes, 4, because I'm insane, of the Healthy Lips from Physicians Formula. I picked up one of these when they first launched, and then they were buy one, get one 50% off, so I got 4 more, and then I may have bought 2 at Walmart the next day, but that's okay. I am going to do a full lip swatch video of the shades that I have in a review on these, but you guys, I'm not joking. They are the most amazing liquid lipsticks ever. I did get 4 of them, so I got All Natural Nude, which is what I am wearing today. I got Raisin, what are you? Raisin Immunity, which is kind of like a deeper color. I got Vitamin Beach, which is like a hot pink berry kind of color. And then I got Berry Healthy, which actually this one looks very red, like more red than I thought it would. It's really pretty. It's just more red than I thought it would actually on the lips. I wore this one yesterday. But like I said, I'm going to be doing a full lip swatch video on those, as well as some different videos with these products. So make sure to subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching this haul. I hope you liked it. Just a little haul to share with you guys. Again, I will try my best to link that LA Girl foundation that I talked about. If not at Ulta, somewhere else. It's really weird that it's not on the site anymore, but whatever. So that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will catch you guys on my next video. Bye!